Omka takok tay buku sono ang tini tabuk presently Delhi faimani karon ke joton saimano Supreme Court sini village committee election tuini hearing toman bagai nai faijak ang diliwo te kaisa gangke jotono tini ni case ni te court ni rai ni tamo rai rekha court ba tamo order rekha abo no tuinai status nan bagai ang tini norne paskango faina nangka tini sini petitioner eba Maharashtra ni pokke advocate tongmani senior advocate Siddharth Luthra sir and others they government of India state government tini tongmani tini te state election commission tini tongmani tini learned solicitor general of India Mr. Tushar Mehta tongmani and others they sini edition theke tongmani ang niji tongo te Remulis Debarma advocate bo tongo te Pallavi Langar sini advocate on record tongmani tini hearing paimani pore court order tabuk sarikono upload khaireka te order upload mani theke saimangkha te hearing o sung tini clear angkha je sini pokhino o rai nongkhornai hinai number 1 hangke u sukangni 11 tarik February ni order ni mote simultaneous election ni tuinai borone affidavit rinai state election sono samani tei boro miyawe affidavit reka kota ke o affidavit ma jaga boro saga je boro simultaneous ek kothai district council election tei village committee election ek songe khaimang alakhana por affidavit khega tei court no boro saga je main district council election itine borok tabo already underway borok samung khai tonga buntoine already under process cholai ta honi saw borok court romaina kha sini matter actually only for the village committee election to mani but honorable Supreme Court